May is Lyme Disease Awareness Month, and the state CDC is urging Mainers to protect themselves against ticks that carry Lyme and other diseases. Due to climate change and warmer winters, experts say tick season is now pretty much a year-round problem.
They say how active ticks will be this summer also depends on Mother Nature. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee explains.
Chuck LaBelchuk leads a team of researchers in every county in Maine, dragging all types of terrain for ticks. The Lone Star tick is on their radar. A bite could cause a lifetime allergic reaction to red meat called alpha-gal syndrome. It causes food allergies to red meat such as beef, pork, and other mammal products. Researchers are also looking for the Asian longhorn tick, an invasive tick that can impact the health of livestock.
We haven't really found any evidence of those ticks around yet, but you never say never, and I think it's probably inevitable that at some point.
According to the Maine CDC, 2022 was a record year for Lyme cases. Public health officials counted more than 2,600 cases, beating the record set back in 2019. Also on the rise, diseases transmitted by deer ticks, anaplasmosis and babesiosis. Experts say warmer winters allow ticks to migrate to areas in western and northern Maine, allowing parasites to live under the snowbanks. Dr. Rob Smith is an infectious disease specialist and the director of the Maine Health Institute for Research Vector-Borne Disease Lab. He says it's critical that people learn what diseases are being transmitted by ticks, as well as the signs and symptoms.
If you get an unexplained fever with flu-like symptoms during the tick season, which is pretty much of the year now, that this is a consideration, particularly if you've been in areas where you think you might have had exposure to ticks.
Now, scientists, of course, don't have a crystal ball to predict what this summer's tick season is going to be like, but they say there is a key factor, and that's rainfall. Hot and dry conditions could put a big dent in tick numbers because ticks needs conditions of at least 80% humidity to survive.
We get our normal amount or a heavier amount of precipitation going into late May, June, and July. The tick numbers will be doing just fine going into the season.
There have been more than 450 tick submissions to the University of Maine Cooperative Extension Tick Lab, and experts encourage folks heading outdoors to wear protective clothing, an EPA recommended repellent, and do frequent tick checks on themselves and their pets. In Scarborough, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
We'll have much more on ticks and the diseases they carry, as well as how they're impacting Mainers during Tick Week. That special reports starts a week from Monday on May 22nd.